Man, these people don't know how to act, man. Racist. When it's slow, they don't know how to act. When it's slow,
vámonos. Tenemos la escolta, güey.
Alright, we're gonna start this haircut off with a 7 open, also known as a 7.5, and we're just gonna make sure that everything's equal, everything's even. Our first guideline, we're gonna use our Slimline Pro and start at the bottom of the edge up to the top of the ear, making sure that we arc the guideline. Now with your shaver, you're going to clean up the bottom and make sure you flick out when you get close to the top of the guideline. Now with no guard open, you're going to come in and go about 40 to 50% of the side edge up just to create that nice spread. We're going to close the lever about 1/3 of the way and flick out the line, then close it all the way and erase the line using only our corners, so that way we don't create another guideline. For our second guideline, we're going to come in with the 1.5 closed, and we're going to go about as high as we did with the first guideline. To erase that line, we're going to come in with our 1 open, and we're going to flick at that line using only our corner, and we're going to close it as we go down. The same steps will apply with the half guard. Now with our number 3 closed, we're gonna come in and set our next guideline. Just simply trying to start fading in the bulk with the fade. Now once again with our number 2 guard opening and closing the blade, we're gonna only use our corners to try to fade out that line. Now with our 1.5 guard, we're going to come in only using our corners and we're going to fully blend out that line. Now to complete the fade, we're going to come in with our number 5, then our number 4 just to fully blend out the full bulk. Now the same exact steps will apply to the other side of the taper, so we're just going to speed through everything. Pulling the ear back, starting at the top, we're just gonna grab our liners and we're gonna go down the ear, trying to keep everything natural but still sharp. Now with the white eyeliner, we're just gonna outline his edge up just to give us a clear guideline of what we're gonna be working with. Now laying him back, we're gonna comb the hair forward just so we can see any hairs that are sticking out of the edge up, and we're just gonna come in and shave those off.
When they call a new plain Jane, didn't like it, I bust down. I finesse for another chick. Hit the broken, we bust down. Now I got my whole apartment winning. We got all type of cars, they ain't renting. We ain't covering no bras, we got plenty. We ain't taking no bars.